Thank you for coming to my channel. First, we're going to start out with an old ponytail that I've been rocking this week. Half of the weekend I wore it as a long ponytail, and then all week for work I just had it up in a bun. Alright, so we're going to go wash and condition. These are a few of my favorites that I'm going to be using today. And then the tools that I'm going to use, I do like my wooden combs and my Denman brush and my clips. Alright, so I am fresh out the shower. I don't have any product in my hair, but I do like to show the water in the bag just to, show that the extra moisture is good for your hair. I do like to use a long sleeve t-shirt just to kind of dry my hair instead of using a towel that is not as rough on your hair as the actual towel would be. Okay, so here I like to section my hair and apply a mixture of extra virgin olive oil and water. I just put that into each section and just clip it up so that way it kind of stays moisturized while I'm doing the shingling and finger coil for each section. Next, I actually start out in this section where I just kind of start applying my product. I like to put the mousse in first. Saturate that very well. Make sure you get it worked in really well. And then from there, when I do add the gel into my hair, I like to focus that on the roots. If you've read in the description, you will see that I have been natural since 2012. I've kind of gone through a journey of having some heat damage here and there, so I've been really working on products that work for me and routines that really work for me. So I feel like I've finally come to a point now where I really have learned what I need to know that works best for my hair. So this should be one of many videos that I'll be sharing with you that I'll just be showing you all different little things that I like to do and things that I've learned along the way. Here at this point, I do show you where I really like to concentrate on my root, especially in the front. Make sure and put that gel on there, and I use my fine tooth comb to kind of make sure and comb the product through. Here I do tend to twist a little more defined when I get to closer to the front of my hair, just to kind of show you that, just want to make those curls pop a little more. And sometimes I will take the comb and actually finger coil the root of my hair. So I'll kind of show you that if you just keep watching. So here at the top is where I've experienced most of my heat damage, just simply because, you know, different styles that I would wear, if I've worn a sew-in or anything would leave out. Those are typically the areas that you want to, you know, smooth out more than others. So I spend a lot of extra time at the front, finger coiling and kind of making sure that the curls as best as it can. I haven't cut much of it lately, but I think I might have a little bit that I plan on snipping at some point in time. Now that I'm done with my whole head, from here I'll go ahead and allow it to air dry for a few hours, and then I'll come back and give you guys the finishing touches. Just a quick photo of the final look before it does dry. Now that it has air dried, I will take my blow dryer and use the concentrator and focus that area on the roots just to give it a little stretch. This product smells amazing, so you'll notice me close my eyes and kind of zone out there for a second. I personally like to only pick the roots a small bit, but I tend to focus more on the ends just to give my whole head more volume versus just at the root. Kind of evens everything out for me. So for my edges, I use Eco Styler. Just put a little bit on that toothbrush and then just lay those edges. Here I like to kind of separate the hair and fluff it a little more. Well, hope you've enjoyed watching my video. I look forward to seeing you on the next one, and stay positive and stay blessed. Have a good one. Bye.